Welcome to Best Car Fixes. Here we have a 2021, 2022 Nissan Altima. The problem is that the steering column is very tough, stiff, you see. I cannot turn it. They brought this car a couple of days ago. We did a configuration for the steering and it's worked fine. But right now, when I went to the engine, I see there is no communication. You know, like when I went to the engine, I am able to read the engine information. Before, you see, this is the engine information, part number, and everything. But when I go back and when I go to the code, check the code, I am seeing here there is U1000. So let's go back now to something else, to the transmission, for example. I want to see if I will be able to check and communicate with the transmission. We have a U code. Okay, here is transmission, no code. The engine have a code. So I'm gonna go back slowly here and then go to, you see, electric power steering, EPS.3. Let me see what happened to it. Why is very heavy. Establish communication, cars are running, no communication with it. So what you need to do is, the reason why this piece is not communicating is not because of programming or initialization, but because the power steering control module itself is not either power, ground, or wiring, or is defect. Yes, anything here you will be able to communicate with. For example, intelligent cruise control, ICC, and all the other. And you see, you have a sign here. Read information. You see, we have the system here for the intelligent and all this. We have the connection perfect. We have no problem with that. Even if you want to see the left rear radar, if this car it has it, I will get some information with it, and that's okay. You see here we have information. So our problem here that this car have, if I gotta do auto scan, I'm sure I will not see the steering, or it's gonna say that no communication. But anything that is available, it will be here. We have about 21 computers. You see, no fault, no fault, no fault. All the codes. You see, engine, we have one fault. Meter, we have one fault. And all the others, we have no faults. No fault, yeah, we have two faults there, I'm sorry. We have two faults, but still power steering, we don't have no faults. Yes, we have no fault on power steering. We have no communication, I'm sorry, we have no communication with the power steering. So all our problem now is we have what on the meter also. Let's see what we have in the meter. Read. Also the same thing on the cluster. So our problem here is we have to go and look on the wiring diagram for power steering, power, ground, and all the connection, and be sure that is good. Somebody work on this car, so they have to review it. This is just an information in case you have a problem, what you need to do. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like.